The Bank of Canada prides itself on being independent from politics, and Tiff Macklem is doing his best to keep it that way.
I'm going to leave politics to the politicians.
The politician in this case is Pierre Poilievre, the Conservative leadership candidate who vows that as Prime Minister, he would fire Macklem for letting inflation rise.
I would fire the Governor of the Bank of Canada for surrendering his independence and agreeing to become Justin Trudeau's personal ATM machine.
We welcome criticism of our work and of our decisions. We're doing that ourselves.
He welcomes the criticism but rejects the argument the bank is entirely to blame, pointing instead to Russia's invasion of Ukraine and global supply chains that remain stubbornly tangled.
We have a job to do for Canadians.
But while it may not be his fault, inflation is his problem, and Macklem is warning of a painful solution.
We've been very clear with Canadians that they should expect a rising path for interest rates.
That rising path leads to higher mortgage rates in a stretched housing market where many Canadians borrowed big to buy big during the pandemic.
The economy can handle, indeed needs, higher interest rates. And given the unsustainable strength of housing activity, some moderation in housing would be healthy.
The bank's hope is a soft landing, cooling the economy while avoiding a recession. The Conservatives argue that landing could be made softer and come sooner.
Mr. Speaker, the Liberals and the NDP continue to vote against Conservative measures that would provide relief. Why?
Mr. Speaker, we understand that affordability matters for Canadians.
But while Chrystia Freeland offered understanding, the finance minister is offering no new measures to help Canadians, instead pointing to existing programs that reduce the cost of childcare and increase benefits to low-income workers and families. David Cochran, CBC News, Ottawa.